going to demonstrate how I do a slip knot. It's called the pretzel method, apparently. I learned it long ago in Girl Scouts. Take your thread like so, and you kind of make a loop with it, okay? Cross your thread over like this, like so. And then you want to bring part of your thread back here. So you're kind of making a pretzel, so to speak. And then you're going to hook your string like this. Well, they show like this in the book. You hook it. I do this. You hook it and you pull up with it, and that gives you a nice slip knot. And then obviously you can just adjust it down for size because we don't want it to be too big for our project. So I went ahead and I'm going to make it a normal size. And that is the pretzel method that achieves a slip knot. It's also illustrated in this crochet book, but I'm sure there's other methods that are just as easy. In the book they show the X method, but I feel like it's way more complicated, so I prefer this method, the good old pretzel. All right, thanks a lot.